from let's hear from about lab lending as a partnership. See what is happening in the FSA loans in USA. See about 20% of the loans are going into delinquency. Okay, what is happening actually? The reason is like in a typical lending scenario, the bank is just giving in a loan and the borrower is running the business, and it is a complete responsibility of the borrower to get this business into success and finally repay back. So, in case if it is not happening, both bank and borrower both gets into. In the case of LAP, what we are looking at is like shifting the whole paradigm of the lending. Lender, borrower, and all those other stakeholders which need to support this business, okay, will come together in a network, okay, and ensuring the business gets to successfully. Let's see an example. A grape farmer wants to do a farming and they're looking for financing. They will get into this lab platform, and the bank is also using the lab platform. They will take help of this stakeholders like climatologists, insurance providers, market analysts, and advisors, okay, to ensure that this business is running successfully. So the whole lending activity is looking as a business deal between the borrower and the bank, and finally it gets into a win-win situation that bank is getting interest back and the lender is getting the profit back. So this is our lab platform, okay, where we can actually have three type of users. One is a borrower and the lender who actually own this platform, and other is like the stakeholders. Okay, here I'm taking use cases where a farmer is logs in whose name is Bob. So Bob is actually wanted to cultivate grape and looking for finance for that. So when he gets this platform, he can see the different details that has been provided the platform. So he gets started. It's actually a survey where he need to fill the details of the business, agricultural, grapes, okay, and the location. Okay, in the first location, okay, system identified through the AML that okay, it is not suitable for this particular crop, and he selected the next location and fills up the details of this thing. So the system shows okay the different type of loans available, okay, and this is connecting that through FFTC with the list of loan applications, and then it shows like insurance providers, soil test engineers, NGOs, which are all related to this particular farming industry. So you select each one of it. We have actually connected with these service providers through Open API. So he proceed to the next stage where system gives these details to the loan origination system through FFTC API. Okay, the loan got approved. Okay, now it gets into the monitoring state now. Okay, so he gets into the monitoring state of this loan, okay, where he actually gets all the service advisors and the notifications, alarms, and all, okay, from these service providers. You can see the left side, the notifications comes on the right side on the details of the production. So he now gets to the next stage, which is the harvesting of the crop. Okay, here he can see like what is the market trend and the details, and it also shows the traders who works in this area. So he actually connected to one of the trader, okay, and trying to sell this crop. Okay, now once this one cycle is over, okay, it gets back to the next cycle, which is again the farming to harvesting. Suppose he finds any difficulty over here, say for example, anything unforeseen situation, he can say seek help, okay, which will show a list of use details where he can select and avail different recommendation what the lab provides. So the whole idea is the FI, the borrower and the related parties get tightly connected, okay, and ensure that business goes on successfully with all the support required. This is the architecture diagram we use, and this is the technology stack we have in lab. So finally, what we have, okay, the lab is giving out avoiding recovery overhead, okay, and lesser reinvesting cycle, new revenue channel through partners, increased customer satisfaction, a socio-economic development, and finally, it is a win-win to all the parties involved in this deal. Thank you, and we are looking forward. Lab is getting into market through Finestra.